Hello guys, my name's Kim. Today I'm gonna tell you the gingerbread story. One time there was an old lady and an old man who wanted to make a gingerbread. The old lady said to the man, "I can make a gingerbread boy." and then her made a gingerbread boy, and when her get out the oven, and gingerbread jumped out of the door, jumped out of the house, and then the gingerbread stopped at a cow, and the cow said moo, and the gingerbread said to the cow, "You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread boy. I am. And then the gingerbread boy said to the cow, "I run from a little old lady and a little old man. And now I can run away from you." And then the gingerbread stopped at a horse, and the horse said, "Nay, nay." And then the gingerbread said to the horse, "You can catch me, I'm the gingerbread boy." And the gingerbread boy said to the horse, "I run away from a little old lady, a little old man, a little old cow, and I can away from you." And then the gingerbread boy stopped at a farm, and then the farmer said to the gingerbread, "Gingerbread can made to be eaten." And then the gingerbread said to the guards, "You can catch me, I'm the gingerbread boy." And the gingerbread said to the farmers, "I went away from a little old lady, a little old man, a little and a cow and a horse, and I can run away from you." And then the gingerbread was running even faster when he fought. And then he stopped at a full of mayors, and then the mayor said to the gingerbread, "Gingerbreads can be made to eat." And then the gingerbread said to the guarders, "I ran away from a little old lady, a little old man, and a cow and a horse and a farmer, and I can away from you." And then the gingerbread boy went away from a spooky fox, and the fox says, "Gingerbread man's can made to eat." And then the gingerbread boy said to the fox, "I went away from a little old lady, a little old man, a cow, a horse, and some farmers and some guards, and I can run away from you." And then the gingerbread stopped at a lake, and the fox said, "I can jump onto the river." And the fox said to the gingerbread boy, "You can come on my tail. Come on my tail right now." So the gingerbread went to the fox's tail. And then the gingerbread was scared, and then the fox says, "You're gonna get wet in my tail. Come in my back." And the fox said, "You're gonna get wet in my back." And then the fox says, "You're gonna go in my shoulders." And then the fox said, "You're gonna get wet in my shoulders." And then the gingerbread was even scared. And then the fox said to the gingerbread boy, "You're gonna get wet where you are right now, but come in my ear." And then the gingerbread went on the fox's ear. And then the gingerbread was even scared and scared. And the fox says, "You're gonna fall in my ear. You jump on my nose." And then the gingerbread boy jumped on the fox's nose. And then when the river was done, snap, the gingerbread snap, and the gingerbread was already gone. And then everyone went back. And then the gingerbread didn't get to be nothing anymore. And then the fox had a good night dream. Bye bye. I hope you like the story. Give your thumb up. Subscribe to my video. Bye bye. Give your thumb. I hope you like the story of the gingerbread man, and he is really fast. I hope you like it.